Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into DJI account. Firstly, go to any web browser of your choice. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for DJI.com and press enter. Once opened, go to the profile icon between the search icon and the store icon. Then a drop-down appears and then click on Login. This will take you to the login page. Here, you have to enter your login credentials, like your email address and your password. In the first text box, enter your email address. Then, in the second, type in your password. If you forget your password, you may click on the Forgot Password link below the password text box. Once you filled in all the details correctly, you may click on the box below Forgot Password link to get exclusive benefits, latest offers, and updates. If you don't have an account yet, you may go to Create Your DJI Account link below the Login button. Once you filled in all your details correctly, you may click on Login button and proceed. This is how you can easily log into the DJI account. DJI website serves as a comprehensive resource for anyone interested in drones, cameras, and related equipments, whether they are for beginners or for professionals. You can check if you've officially logged into your account by going to the profile icon between the search and buy icon. A drop-down appears, then click on My Account. Then, a new page opens up, and here you can see your account details that it has been successfully logged into. This is how you can easily log into your DJI account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.